Hello viewers, I am an engineer Azam. Today we will learn the basic mathematics. It is too much important for an engineers as well as for common people who are willing to enter into medical examination or anything else or competitive exams. There this mathematics concept or basic concept is needed. So that's why today I will explain 2 or 3 examples through BODMAS rule. So first of all, so let's start. BODMAS means first of all board, board, MAS BODMAS rule. B means brackets. B means brackets, O means order, and D means division. D means division, M means multiplication, and A means addition. A means addition, S means subtraction, So this is the rule. When we will understand this rule, when we will remember this rule, then we will easily solve out the problems in the competitive exam, because there we have no calculator. Some examination they are not allowing a calculator, so if we will aware of this concept, then we will easily solve out the problems related to that. So now I am hopeful that you have understood this. Brackets, maybe I will explain, and this like these are rectangular or big brackets. So these are rectangular or big brackets. These are curly brackets. So the final one, this is a round or small bracket. So these are all types of brackets. We have to solve out these types of brackets first according to the BODMAS rule. So now I will wipe out. The second one is order, means it would be in the square bracket, like it would be in the square root form or the x square e square form. So it's like this in the order form. So second number we have to solve these orders. Third one is division, is like that and like in this way. Multiplication is like this, asterisk, small multiplication, and sometimes no. So multiplication like this. Addition means add up. Subtraction means only minus sign here. So this is the basic rules. We should understand this rule. It is too much simple, not that are rocket science. So now we are good aware of this. So I will solve out an example, then after you will understand this basic concept. So let's solve out an example. So we have the 3 3 minus 5 multiplied by 4 plus 7 minus 6. So if you will solve out without BODMAS, then you will make a mistake. You should write this BODMAS, then you will solve out this. So according to BODMAS, first B means so first B means brackets, so there are no brackets. Second O means order, so there is no order. Third D means division, so here is no division. Fourth one is multiplication, so that's why we will solve this one. 3 we should also consider this sign as it is for this term. So 5 multiplied by 4 times 20, here plus 7, here minus 6. So we have solved this multiplication term. Then we have addition term first. So we have to solve out addition and subtraction. Whatever comes first, we have to solve that first. So addition here comes first, so we have to solve these two. So minus 17 and then plus 7, then minus 6. So here we have, and then addition and subtraction. So subtraction first, so this we have to solve this one. Minus 17 plus 7 will result minus 10, and then minus 6. Here only the subtraction has left, so we will subtract this. So minus 16 will be our answer. So if we will do this according to BODMAS, then we will never ever mistake, otherwise we will make mistake. So that is the first concept. So we have done with one example. So the another example I will take, it will take all the terms, means brackets will also come. So 4 multiplied by 3 square plus 5 divided by 5, then plus 2 multiplied by 2, then minus 20. So this is our question. So we have to solve out this by using BODMAS. So bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So first of all, bracket we have to solve out this. There is a bracket. Rest of all we have to remain same. And then 3 square. We will do this step by step, so it would be easy. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 minus 20. So we done with this. So now I will cross on it. So then after order means here I have said that x square, e square, these are orders under root. So here it is. So I will solve out this one, second order. Then here if 3 whole square is 9 plus 5 divided by 5 plus 4 minus 20. So now I have solved out this also. Now it's time to division. So division here it is. So now I will solve out this. 4 plus 9 plus 5 divided by 5, it's equal to 1 plus 4 minus 20. So then another multiplication. So there is no multiplication left. So then after addition, whatever comes first, we have to do that first. So here this comes first, addition. So 9 13 plus 1 plus 4 minus 20. Then after also addition comes first. Addition and subtractions are approximately same according to BODMAS. Well, whatever comes first, we have to solve that first. So here addition comes first, so that's why we will solve this first. So 14 plus 4 minus 20. Then also addition comes first. 18 minus 20 equals to 0. Sorry. And then 18 minus 20, so also addition comes first. 18 minus 20 minus 2 is our answer. So you have to do this according to the BODMAS or PIMDAS rule. So then you will never ever mistake. So thank you so much, viewers. This was a conceptual question, and this was a conceptual topic as well. If you will well aware of BODMAS, then you will never ever do a mistake in your basic mathematical questions. Thank you so much, viewers.